Hi, I'm Sarah, National Brow Artist for Benefit Cosmetics, and today I'm going to show you how to shape your brows like a pro. The absolute best way to determine your brow shape at home is to use brow mapping. 3 points in your face, find the perfect shape for both brows. So crook of the nose up to the eyebrow, side of the nose through the iris and the arch, and side of the nose through the end of the brow to find your tail. Don't even try to do your brows without brow mapping because that's when we get into disaster zone and you can get uneven, misshapen brows. So the biggest do's and don'ts for overplucked brows are less is more. Take your time, throw a little brow conditioner on there. Also, you definitely want to fill them in. My best advice is just to have fun. I mean, it's makeup, it comes off, it's not permanent. So it's kind of playing around with your brow shape and your face shape and really seeing what that can do for you. We say at Benefit that brows are sisters, not twins, but we want them to look pretty closely related. So that might mean taking the arch down a little bit on one, trimming another a little bit less so that we can even them out a little bit, but it usually requires putting a little bit of product on. A pencil, a gel can be your best friend for making them look really symmetrical. I find that full brows, a little bit of filling in can make you look more awake, it can make you look more alert, a little bit younger, a little fresher, and you can kind of do a little bit less makeup overall. Thanks for watching. For more beauty tips and tricks, go to goodhousekeeping.com.